How to use Binance, the beginner's guide. Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange that offer a simple and smooth interface with a variety of features to users. From the verification procedure to trading methods, the guide has covered it all for beginners. Table of content. What is Binance? Second, Binance mobile and desktop application. How to use Binance in the US. How to verify your Binance account. How to deposit money on Binance. How to deposit crypto on Binance. How to trade on Binance for beginners. How to buy crypto on Binance. How to sell crypto on Binance. Binance feeds explained. What is Binance coin and how to buy it. How safe is Binance. How to withdraw crypto from Binance. How to withdraw fiat from Binance. The growing adoption of crypto technology and new fields like DeFi and NFTs have led to a plethora of exchanges springing up to meet the surge in demand. Crypto exchanges are platforms that allow to users buy, sell and trade different cryptocurrencies. By far the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world at present is Binance. First founded in 2017. Before jumping to the features that the exchange offers, let's discuss some basics. What is Binance? Binance is the leading cryptocurrency exchange by volume in the world and its user base is worldwide across over 180 countries. It has several features which are perfect for beginners and it is very easy to use. You can also take advantage of its excellent Binance Academy learning section to boost your crypto knowledge. Binance offers a plethora of services that cater to anyone, from a complete crypto beginner to a DeFi dozen, due to the increase in regulatory pressure in certain countries. Binance has increased its regulatory compliance by implementing a reliable user verification method or removing or limiting certain controversial services like security token and high leverage trading. Binance application and desktop application. Binance mobile application and desktop application. Binance offers its service on multiple platforms including iOS and Android in the form of its mobile application, browser-based websites as well as a desktop application for Mac and Windows. If you are a more advanced user requiring quick updates with minimum lag, it is recommended to use its mobile app or desktop version, as the browser-based experience can cause lag when the exchange experiences very high transaction volumes. How to use Binance in the US. To use Binance in the US, you will have to comply with different requirements due to strict financial regulation. First of all, Binance operates as a separate business initially in the United States, called Binance US. Moreover, Binance.US is available in 43 states, including New York, Texas, Vermont, Hawaii, Idaho, Connecticut, and Louisiana. First, you will need to download the Binance app or head to their website on desktop and create an account by providing your email address and phone number. Then you will need to verify your account before you can deposit fiat or cryptocurrency into your Binance wallet. How to verify your Binance account? Since Binance is a centralized exchange, identity verification is very important. It must meet national and global anti-money laundering and combating terrorism financing CFT regulation. It is also required to meet comprehensive know your customer KYC requirements. The good news is that ID verification process enables you to increase your Binance fiat deposit and withdrawal limits. The verification progress is quick, easy and straightforward. If complications arise, Binance has a large customer support team. To complete the verification, simply log into your account, click on Get Verified and complete the basic, intermediate and advanced verification level, with each of them having their respective fiat limits. You will also need to fill in your nationality, first name, last name, date of birth, street address, postal code and city. To upgrade the intermediary level for a higher limit, you will have to take and upload picture of your government issued ID. You can use an ID, a password, a driving license depending on the country. After this, you will be required to take a selfie or upload picture to complete the face verification. Advanced verification will require you upload proof of address either from your bank statement or your recent utility bill. How to deposit money on Binance? Binance supports fiat deposit in up to 50 different currencies. You can deposit fiat through a bank transfer or via debit or credit card payments. You should be able to purchase cryptocurrency and start trading on Binance in about 20 hours after making the deposit. Most deposit options are free, easy and very convenient. How to deposit crypto on Binance? Depositing crypto on Binance can be more complex than fiat if you are new to this, but the following step to make it easy. You can deposit crypto into your Binance wallet from another cryptocurrency wallet. For example, you are trying to transfer BTC from Coinbase to Binance. You must follow these steps. Copy your Binance wallet address and paste into the platform, in this case Coinbase. You are withdrawing from deposit into Binance. Select the exact cryptocurrency, in the case BTC, that you want to deposit. Select the protocol BTC, ERC20, TRC20, BEP2, BEP20, etc. on the platform which you are withdrawing your crypto. The protocol must be valid for your Binance wallet address. Hit the withdrawal button and complete the withdrawal verification progress. Care should be taken up. Selecting the wrong protocol may result in losing your crypto. It takes a little while for your request to be confirmed due to traffic on the blockchain. You can check your transaction history to monitor your deposits. How to trade on Binance for beginners? A major draw for Binance user is the ease and speed with which you can trade cryptocurrency in real time. The exchange cleverly offers different types of trading interfaces depending on how experienced you are. Binance recommends the use of convert feature for newbies, which breaks everything down with a simple interface. On the top field, you are the enter in cryptocurrency which you are exchanging and then input the amount you want to trade. The bottom field is for the desired coin or fiat. Once the trade is executed, the trading fees will be deducted as well. The easiest way to trade is using spot trades at real-time prices. Binance offers a few different types of spot trading options such as market limit, spot stop limit and OCO.